It's me, Tigger! And being safe is what Tiggers like best. So please stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And grown-ups, please watch your adorable little children. TTFN, ta-ta for now.
Well, just one.
Please take room number 1.
Oh, thank you.
Vayan a sacar las manos, los brazos, los pies o las piernas fuera del vehículo. Y les ruego a los mayores que vigilen a sus preciosos niños. ¡Chao!
It's me, Tigger. D-I-double-double. Tiggers like best. So please stay in your seat. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside.
You're so
TTFN, ta-ta for now.
One blustery day in the Hungry Acre Woods, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm playing on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday! We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
I'm Tigger.
Follow me, right this way!
Steal honey. Beware, beware.
Before your eyes, you'll see them multiply. Because they come every shape and size. If hungry's what you got, you'll find out they love it. Because they guzzle up the thing you prize.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pooh!
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present.
Presents for Pooh.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh, you like mine.
Welcome back. Please hold your step and exit the side. Have a good night.
All right, thank you.